Hello everyone, welcome to GATE Academy Global. Right now, those who are aspirants of GATE 22, they have the common feeling that they are not able to get good marks in GATE 2022 mock test. The test from any institutes that you are appearing. I think that you are getting marks in between 50 to 60, or many students are getting marks in between 40 or 30. So this is the common to all the aspirants who are going to appear in GATE 22 examination, and this is the common feeling that everyone is having whenever they have the examination which is coming in recent times. That is, I think that if I ask any aspirants who is appearing right now in GATE 22 examination, and the examination is going to decide your life, that in which direction your career is going to be, I think that you have the same feeling when you were appearing in the board examination also. And this is the common fear, common thought that every person is having before something is going to decide their life. So I think that this is normal thing, and you should not afraid of these things. You should not take that this is the final marks that I will get in the final examination also. You just think that this is the time whenever I am going to get proper rehearsal of everything, how to get good marks and each things. If I have seen properly that in which part of the test I am actually committing mistakes. So this mistakes reduction is the very good analysis for getting good marks in the final examination. If you are doing proper mistakes analysis, that whether you are doing silly mistakes, whether some concepts are missing from your notebook, whether some concepts are missing from your short notes, whether you are doing some calculation mistakes, whether the questions that you are appearing in the test is similar to the questions that you have seen in PYQ examination. If not, then you can left that questions also, because it is not in the same format as the GATE examination questions they are asking from the GATE format. And everything, if you done proper analysis, then you come to know that whatever marks you are getting is not actually that marks that you are going to get in the final examination, because you have approximately 20 to 25 days right now also to practice, to revise, and to work on the mistakes that you are committing right now in the test series. So this is the analysis that you have to do in a proper way. You have to take care that you should be keep yourself calm, you should be serious, you should be comfortable with everything that you have right now, because this comfortable sense of comfortable will definitely give a proper mindset of examinations, and this particular mindset will give you confidence, and everything that you are doing right now will affect your examinations. So the 3 hours of examinations that is going to decide your career is that you are trying to make that particular comfortable stage of examination right now by proper practicing, proper revision, and proper things that you are trying to do right now will give the same comfortable in the final examinations. So stay calm, stay cool, stay comfortable, and do practicing each and every points that you are feeling that you don't know or you are committing mistake in that part. And you should just make a proper mistakes notebook, because before 1 week before your examination, you have to go through that particular notebook in which we have written that most of the time I am committing mistakes in this particular point, most of the time I am forgetting this particular formula. Everything should be written in a small notebook that is known as the mistakes notebook, and whatever you have written right now will make a sense before the examination when you are going to revise that mistakes notebook. I know that you are revising short notes and long notes, everything, but these mistakes notebooks will work in the 3 hours of durations whenever you when you come to appear in the final examination. So I think that this particular statements will work for those students who are right now demotivated because of their marks. And if you listen properly what I said just now, definitely it will work for you, because of experience that I have in this GATE industry. I am telling all these things. Thank you. Meet you again. Till then, bye bye.